We were just working through how to make a buttonhole on the Singer Featherweight C240 sewing machine. But this time we're going to actually take you through how to make a corded buttonhole. So it's a little bit more stable, it's a little bit more raised, and how to set it up. So to check out our buttonhole video, make sure you click on that little eye up in that top corner and get familiar with how we set this up. But I am going to take this foot back off because where the cording actually goes, so you need some type of cord or really thick thread. You need enough of it that you can double it up. So I'm finding the center point of this cord. And notice on the back of the buttonhole foot, there is a little notch. Now, I'm going to actually just show you where this is going to go, but it's easier to actually have the foot on the machine when you load this up. So here we go. You hook half of it, the halfway point on the back, and then see these little fingers up front? That's what holds it. And you can see the cord is now perfectly positioned right where the buttonhole is going to stitch. And so it's going to encase the cord perfectly for our next buttonhole. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take this off, put the foot back on. To make a buttonhole, you do need to pull down that little lever. Remember, it's behind the needle threader, hides way up at the top here, so pull that down. Okay, the button in the back is going to tell the machine how big of a buttonhole we want to do. So kind of get that set up here. Stitch number 10 would probably be the easiest to do for this particular one. You can do it for the stretch buttonhole, but it really is meant for this particular one. Do stitch 10 to start off with. So I've hooked it around the back of the foot. I'm just kind of holding this in place until I lower the presser foot down. So as you stitch, you just want to kind of hold the cord and make sure that the zigzag is going over the cord all the way here. So then all you need to do is really just trim the cord. Sometimes you can pull it through. I wasn't able to pull it through. I kind of caught a little bit of the cord, but if you can pull it through, that does actually give you a little bit more, it's just easier. But look how nice and covered that buttonhole is. It's a little bit more raised and it's very sturdy. So this would be great for fabrics that have a little bit of a nap, like wool or fleece. And then that way when you cut it open, it's not going to get stretched out of position.